Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the area around the paint run so damage does not spread. Use a small blade to lift only loose paint, then sand lightly around the run with 300-400 grit to feather edges. This creates a smooth transition for repair. Clean the area with a tack cloth to remove dust and oil so new layers adhere. Once done, inspect the depth. If you hit primer or bare metal, spot priming will be required before color application. Now you remove the actual buildup and create a blended surface ready for paint. Sand the raised bead down until it's flush, feathering the surrounding paint 1 to 2 inches so the edge fades smoothly. This prevents a visible outline later. If primer shows, apply a thin compatible primer, let it dry, and sand it with 400-600 grit for a silky base. Once smooth, test your matched color on a scrap area to confirm tone before committing to the panel. Finish by applying thin, even coats of base color using light overlapping passes. Make sure each coat becomes tacky before the next to avoid fresh runs. After color, apply clear coat in 2-3 light layers, allowing proper flash time. If slight orange peel appears, wet sand with 1,500-2,000 grit between clears and reapply a final clear. Once cured, polish with a fine compound and finish with wax. If you still see a halo, rich feathered.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.